As entrepreneurs, we always have this fear of not being relevant anymore. For that reason, I was too scared when I was getting started to share what I actually know. Was very insecure that I will not be making money if other people know how I'm actually doing it. That kept me stuck for a very long time. And the only way I actually got to the next level was after investing $300,000 here while going through a lot of struggles to learn this myself. So giving you some backstory, back in 2019, when I was doing affiliate marketing, selling weight loss products online, I had this small gig going on. On Instagram, I was DMing people and promoting my affiliate product without showing my face and name. And I was able to make 25 bucks as commission for every sale, but it was pure hustle. I used to run 60 Instagram accounts, post 6 pieces of content on each of them, and it was a nightmare from a business model standpoint. So I had no other option. It was making me thousands of dollars, so I was running it happily. While I was doing that, I was very insecure. If somebody asked me about my Instagram, what I was doing on phone, and, my friends or anybody else who's asking me, I used to never share because I was very insecure that if they know, I won't be able to still do it, or they would make fun of me one or the other way. And now I realize that's not because I want to hold off my knowledge. It's more because I was very scared. I was insecure. Because I come from a scarcity background where I haven't seen a lot of money, me making even $1,000 a month was a big deal for me back then. And from the place where I'm coming from, every dollar counts. For a reason, every penny counts, for God's sake. But then after investing into $35,000 masterminds and paying many people tens of thousands of dollars to learn from them, and after interviewing 100 plus millionaires on my podcast, I kind of realized that's not how you build wealth. If you really want to build a successful business, a successful brand, and build a loyal fan base or customer base, you really need to share your story and share your learnings together. And that's what I've been doing from 2020. I was sharing all my learnings on my podcast, and I was bringing amazing guests who are millionaires who have won of these awards where they share their journey to go from $0 to $1 million. And whoever watches that podcast and learns from it used to become one of my prospects. And because they gained value from my content, they used to easily trust me and spend with me, become my success stories as well, and end up becoming happy clients as well. But I realized that was a very small pond of people who are watching my podcast. Then I converted my podcast knowledge into a book, and we published it, and that got into many more hands. And now I'm focused on creating more and more content, which is not just related to podcasts, but actual content like this, so I could reach many more entrepreneurs and share my knowledge so that I can make their lives better. And if a percentage of them wants to consider working with me, there is always opportunity to explore. Once I went from the scarcity, insecure mindset of saying, hey, if I share, I won't be able to make more, to going, hey, I need to share more so that I can make more, create more net positive in the world, that really helped me unlock different levels of wealth. And that's how I was able to go from a 19-year-old broke dropout to building a $1 million business in just 2 years while helping my clients do over $500 million in client results. And I was able to successfully move to Dubai by the age of 22 all by myself. And this would never happen if other millionaires who shared their information, like I used to think when I was scared, because they gave me, I was able to make it. Now I'm giving so that you guys could actually, who are watching me, will be able to make it big in life. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to consider liking this. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'm happy to answer. One thing I really want you to unlock from this video is I was grudging on this for a long time and I couldn't make the transformation myself, even after investing tens of thousands of dollars into mentors, programs, courses, and whatnot. And I want you to take this from me today, that if you know something, share it. Don't be scared. By sharing, you will only make more. And obviously, share with the right people who won't dish you. That's an obvious thing. Now, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more advice just like this.